Oh, up, and away. Oh, smash that one, boy. Oh, let's go. Oh. Y'all, we on the way to a wheat field this morning. Yesterday afternoon, we hunted the ponds. The doves are seeming to come to the water in the afternoon. They hitting the feed hard in the morning. So we got the crew of people behind us going bust up in the wheat fields.
You can just go all the way across the board, we can go the other side. But he said he thought this side was
the right side. Yeah.
Yes,
okay, so we're just posting up kind of on that anywhere on there. Okay. How far back does it go? All the way
all
to
the way that tree line right there.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you. All right.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Jared, and on Louisiana Cast and Blast Outdoors, I bring y'all along on the ride every weekend whenever I go hunting and fishing. And today we're down in Texas, in Lytle, Texas. Day 2 of the dove hunt. About to set out the decoys and get after it. Bring y'all along for the ride. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we got some decoys that I made right here. Some silhouettes. We're just gonna spread them out. You can tell the decoys work. Time to shoot my dad's old Smith & Wesson model 1000. It only shoots 2 3/4. Gas powered chamber. I'll be pairing that up with some Rios number 7 shot. Oh, good shot. All right, got a mark on him. We'll get him in a sec.
He's about to get away. I think it was close.
How many you got, brother?
3-piece combo.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yep. Box your shells down though.
Yes, indeed.
Hey, you ever seen that movie Holes?
Yeah.
You know them lizard things?
Yeah.
They got one back there.
No way.
I tried to get a video, but a dove came. I dropped my phone next to it. I was so scared.
Justin. Oh, smash that one, boy. Oh, second one just got up, bro. Yeah. Let's go, baby. On the board with your gun, Pops. Get him on my little ringer. Hey, look in the front, y'all in the front. Good shot. Good shot, Brock. Man, my gun's not cycling. I'm gonna have to. That's the 3rd time it does that. Yeah, I brought my Stoga too. I think I'm gonna go get it.
Damn, I like to shot y'all decoys.
Yeah. Oh, right here in the front. Oh, let's go. Wheat fields this morning. I ain't never did this kind of hunting before, y'all. So it's awesome. Let's go. From where? Three. Right behind you to your left. Hey, where that bird was at?
Back. Hey, on top.
West Texas dove hunt, baby. Come get y'all some. Drop the link. Double H Outfitters below. Mark it. He was 15 feet to the right of that green bush. Good shot, though.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Or he had one last kick in him for sure. Alright, up to 4 now. Go 5 feet behind you. Got it? He got it. Justin! Good shot. Mark it right by that cactus. That boy's on him. How you like that spread? Yeah. Appreciate that. Made them out of some of wood and some poster boards.
You make them?
Yeah. Appreciate that. Hey, is it quail season? He flushed up a big old drove of like 20 of them. Yeah, by that tree back there.
I think we got like 2 weeks.
Oh, damn. He said 2 weeks. Yeah, we getting a shot at a couple of them. I think we got. Yeah, for sure. Appreciate it. Woo! Good shot. To your left, and then 10 feet more to your left. Yeah, on the other side of them sticks. You found it? Yeah.
Now tell him good boy.
Good boy. Oh, you should have heard him earlier. He was barking. Oh. Ooh, they almost got the business. Yeah, boy. Well, y'all, it's going on 9:30. We can start picking up the spread. We ain't seen many birds for the last hour or so. We can head back to the lodge, relax for a little bit, drink a couple cold beverages, eat lunch, and then we heading back out this afternoon, go shoot the rest of our limit. Pick y'all up at the lodge.
Back to the house till this afternoon.
Y'all check out the Outfitters place over here, y'all. This is the main house right here. They got several different facilities to sleep. They got a big group of 15 guys in here. They got a batting cage in there, cornhole, all kind of stuff. They got a skeet shooting deal set up right here with some traps. Over there's a bird cleaning station. This is our deal right here. Got a little porch area to chill out in. This is our little setup, the Castilla. Got 4 doors right here. That door Chet's coming out of is the living room lounge area. Nice little hangout spot. Got a table, fridge, snacks that they keep stocked. Nice little couch to chill out in the air conditioning after the hunt. Beautiful, nice cold air conditioning in every room. We'll check out the next room down. That's where Brock and Chet staying. Nice little bunk room. Tall ceilings. Next room where me, Justin, and Cody are staying. This room got 2 bunk beds, air conditioned fan. It's also accompanied by a bathroom. Nice big walk-in shower, toilet, sink. And then last door is another little bathroom. Nice little bathroom. Walk-in shower. Just a little cleaning station they got set up. You grab your Ziploc bag and a Sharpie. Put the date, your name, and how many birds you got in your bag. Clean them for you, put them in this freezer, and you take them whenever you ready to roll. Y'all gonna shoot? Yeah, you need to practice. You need to practice. I seen you this morning.
This one.
Left, front.
What are you doing? You never seen it.
I didn't even see it.
Oh my.